Hello everyone, Porcelain here on Manufactured, and welcome to another episode of Tossed and Found, the weekly show where I demonstrate things I've found at yard sales or thrift shops and show you that if you're willing to hunt for things, you can sometimes find really great deals. So, today we are continuing with my trying to get through all of the stuff, all of my hauls. So here I have an exclusively, aside from one pony is Generation 2, but the rest will be Generation 3 brushable My Little Ponies. And I just refilled the bin that I used for my Generation 4 brushables video. If you're interested in that, you can, I'll probably put it in the description and you can go and watch that afterwards if you haven't seen it already. But yeah, I'm just going to take this bin down and we're going to go through it together. For all these ponies, I'd say... So I'm trying to do estimates of how much I ended up actually paying for all this stuff. I'd say I probably spent maybe $10 at most. $10 most. Like that's being generous for everything that is in this bin. I get really... I haggle a lot when I thrift, so yeah, yeah, we're gonna start in and go through it. I'd say, yeah, around $10 this pony haul. I'm just gonna fix that. There we go. Hopefully you guys aren't minding that the purple tablecloth has left for a little while. It'll be back probably in future videos, but doing something a little different for a bit. Alright, so I'm just going to grab in, take one out. As always, I do not know any of these ponies' names, and therefore I will be putting them at the bottom of the screen around here in editing. This one is really cute. She's got a dent in her hoof though, which is really sad. I can definitely get this off of her, I think. But yeah, the dent really sad because I don't think I have her in my collection yet. And she's got a little gem. She's probably a Valentine's pony or something. She's very, very cute. She can still stand. That's something at least. Next we have this one. It's another one that I don't think I have. She's got an umbrella that's sparkly for a cutie mark. She's also got sparkles on her face. And tinsel in her hair. I hate tinsel in doll hair. Don't put tinsel in doll hair. It's so much harder to fix when it has tinsel in it. Ugh. And G3 ponies are really easy to fix in general, but like, just tinsel in any doll's hair isn't good. Next we have this one. She's got a popcorn cutie mark. I love popcorn. It's one of my food weaknesses, one of my favorite foods to eat. I really love popcorn, and it's not that bad for you if you air pop it. I also really love the colors in her mane and how they're basically the same colors in her cutie mark. She looks really cute. I will definitely fix her up and put her in my collection. Pretty sure I don't have her either, but I'm not sure. I might. Next we have a Pinkie Pie. Not sure which one this is, but she's got a very, very shiny body. Next we have this pony right here. Is this one a Cheerilee? I don't remember. I don't remember what the G3 Cheerilees looked like. I think this might be her, but I'm not sure. She's in good condition as well. Then we have this one with the wonderful rainbow hair, except that it has tinsel in it. Her body is a little bit dirty, but I'm sure I can wash that off. There she is. A lot of pink. The screen is filling up fast with pink. They made a lot of pink ponies. There's one yellow one so far. Let's see if I can pick out something that's not pink. Oh, there we go. This one is not pink. Her hair's kind of done up in a bun right now, but I'm just going to leave it like that. I have gotten this pony before, but I think I customized the one that I already got into my Frankenstein pony. If you want, I'll link in the description my video of my bunch of my pony customs, and you can see the one I made there. I will put, I don't remember this one's name, just like most of them, but she's pretty cute. I find it very weird how her tail and mane do not match, though. I don't know why that decision was made. Next we have this one. This is obviously a fake pony. Definitely a fake, but I don't know, she's got a little bit of cute sculpting, so I feel like if you, the hair is super cheap, but if you made her a new mane and tail and repainted her, I feel like she could have a new life as a very beautiful custom. So I will keep her for customizing, but she's very obviously fake. We'll put her way off to the side there. She can just peek into the video. Then we have, oh, another one of, oh, it's a different one. It's the same umbrella pony from before, the yellow one, but she's in a different pose and she's in horrible condition, which is a shame because I like having them in all their different poses. Her eyes all scratched. This one's definitely going to become a custom. I'm just going to chop off her mane and everything and she'll become a custom. Feel free to leave me suggestions for the kinds of customs I should make in the comments below. I do read them all, and I like taking suggestions. Here we have another one. I believe this one is Fluttershy. I might be wrong about that. This might be Generation 3 Fluttershy, though. She's alright. We'll see what I can do with that mane. It's getting a little frizzy. And obviously clean her up. Then we have this one, which is Magic Marigold. I know that one. She's got actually really nice... She's been really well taken care of. She's got a nice mane and tail. I like it. She won't need too much of a cleanup. Then we have one of these. She's got ballet shoes for a cutie mark, but she's obviously figure skating. I think I've gotten a couple of this pony before. She twists at the waist as well as at the neck. This one's in pretty good condition for her base, but her mane especially is just horrible condition. I do not think I can save that, so she will probably also become part of a custom, unfortunately for her, or fortunately, however you see it. I'm gonna have to lie her down. There we go. Next we have a giant Rainbow Dash, big ol' mane and tail here, and she's in pretty good condition, so if I don't already have one of her in my collection, she'll be cleaned up and put in my collection. Otherwise, I think she could make an awesome, awesome custom, seeing as how large she is. I love the giant ones. They're a lot of fun, but I'm always nervous about repainting them just because it's such a huge task, and you notice the imperfections so much more with them. We have a few more left. We have a smaller Rainbow Dash here with some printed on beads and bows. I find this so weird. She's quite dirty, but I could probably fix her up. I have one of these that I've already taken apart and is ready to be customized as well. Next we have this one. She's got strawberries and little swirlies for a cutie mark. She's got tinsel again, so it's going to be hard to fix her mane. She's also white, so she's showing a lot of stains, but we'll see if we can get those off. Oh, and she's got a name on the bottom of her hoof. That'll come off with acetone at least, though. Whoa! We have a few more. This one doesn't want to stand. There we go. We have this one, who's a smaller pony, like a baby pony. She's got like a shining heart for a cutie mark. She's cute. I like the small ones because you don't usually see them. I don't know how many small Generation 3 ones there are. I don't think there are a lot. Then we have this one. She looks amazing. I definitely have to find out how to carefully fix her hair despite the tinsel, because I love this body. I love the gradient and all the flowers. She looks like a hippie to me. Oh, she's got flowers on the back too. I'm really into her. I've never seen her before. I really, really like her. Yes. I'm a big fan of whoever this one is. I think she might be my favorite from the whole video. And last but definitely not least, we have our one Generation 2 pony. As some of you longtime subscribers might know, Generation 2 were the ponies that I grew up with for the toy versions, and the ones that I love best. I still love, not just for nostalgia reasons, but like I love their proportions and stuff. So obviously she's going to be my favorite despite this one. This is my favorite of all the Gen 3s, but so cute. I love the Gen 2 ponies, and you don't see them around a lot. So this is everything from today's haul. I think it's pretty great for around a $10 haul. There's a ton of beautiful, beautiful ponies here. I'm very, very happy about all of them, especially the Gen 2 pony and this girl, because I don't see her a lot or ever before. She's my first one, I believe, for my collection. So yeah, a lot of these ones will be going into my collection. A couple of them will be customized. As always, feel free to leave me a comment telling me what kind of customs you'd like to see in the future. Feel free to leave a comment telling me what kinds of hauls you'd like to see in the future. What ones do you like best, maybe? I always love to read your feedback. I try and respond to every single comment as well. I do read every single one, and I try and respond to absolutely as many as possible. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch another one. If you also like that one and you haven't already, maybe consider subscribing. Aside from that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Good luck in your thrifting adventures, and keep playing by your own rules, guys. Bye!